Alright, I had a little trouble here, ladies and gentlemen. I don't have sound when I change the modes. And I do want to dedicate this video to Fred. Fred, this is a 360 video, not what I want to talk about. I got a tripod. I got a monopod in my hand, and this is the Gear 360, as you can see how I'm holding. I went out to the shopping mall. This is what I've done, and you'll see that video. I won't be able to post it. Maybe I'll be able to do a 2D video. And I walk like this. I'm a little cold, a little shaky right now. And that's how I talked about a month ago or 2 months ago about how we hold our cameras. Maybe this will benefit you like this. It'll get you a nice, smooth video. The weight of the pole. If I went out and I tilt it back like so, right? I do the same thing. I may get the better angle. So I hold it in my hand like this, and I keep it near my body. So my hand is not doing this all the time, but if I'm walking, I try to prevent that stride of my body. I just wanted to bring that out. Thought I'd give it a little share, and hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.